Benefits of dried dilis. What are health benefits of dried dilis? Dried dilis, also known as dried anchovies, are a popular snack and ingredient in many Southeast Asian cuisines. Here are some potential health benefits associated with consuming dried dilis. Good source of protein. Dried dilis are an excellent source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body. A 100-gram serving of dried dilis provides around 28 grams of protein. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Dried dilis are also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for heart health and brain function.